So tell me now, in terms of this constitutional amendment number 2, are there things in there? Because I realize that it's a very important amendment that the public is being asked to consider, and then indeed the Parliament is being asked to consider. It relates, some of the things that it touches on is the nomination of vice presidents as running mates, the increase of ministers and deputy ministers appointed outside Parliament from 5 to 7, the appointment of judges, that process involved in the appointment of judges, the appointment and the role of the public protector, and the appointment of a prosecutor general. I mean, these are just a few of the issues that the amendment seeks to attend to. Are there issues in there that were very important for you that caused you to carry out this protest?
Okay, so for me, I first had an encounter with the bill beginning of the year. And something that I noticed that the bill was aimed at 5 things, ultimately. And that was to enhance the power of the executive, to consolidate dictatorship, and to weaken parliament oversight, and also to negatively impact the independence of the judiciary. Lastly, it was also aimed at tokenizing women and youth in politics to keep them quiet. So everything about that bill, in one of the forums that I am part of, I actually lobbied that let it be withdrawn entirely, so that we can have public consultations, start public consultations before we take it to Parliament. So that if we now have public consultations, start public consultations, where people are actually aiding in their voice on what it is that they would want to be amended in the Constitution, and vis-a-vis with the amendments, with the proposed amendments that which is going to serve the needs of the general people, not the needs of a certain political party or the needs of a certain politician. Because from my end, this is how it seems, that this is a political amendment, and it's so disappointing, because the Constitution is what determines where a country is going and even the future of the country.